Hi everybody, Happy New Year. It has been a while since I have been here. I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas and that you will have a even better New Year this year than you did last. I am here today to show you some of the crafty things that I got for Christmas this year. They are from my mom and my sons. And one of my sons he likes to get me crafty things that he gets in the stores, and he gets overwhelmed by what he sees, so he ends up getting gift cards for me instead, which is completely fine. I told him I love gift cards, so not a problem. So he gave me gift cards. I have spent them online, so I am waiting for those things to come in. So I will be doing a separate video of, it will probably be called Crafty Christmas Haul is what that one will be. So when you see that, that is everything that I got with one of my son's gift cards that he sent me. But right now these are physical gifts, so I wanted to share them with you. The first thing that I got was from my mom, and it is a crochet bag to hold your yarn in while you're working with it, so it keeps everything in one place. And if you're using more than one yarn, color of yarn, then it helps keep everything separated. So let me show you. I can't find a brand on this right now, and I haven't used it yet, so I will let you guys know how I like it. But anyway, it's kind of wrinkled up, but here it is, and this is the slots. Trying to get it puffed out here. Okay, right here there are 3 slots. So what you do, they're zippers. So you would undo the zipper, open it up, put your skein or your ball of yarn in here, zip it back up, and then at the top there are 3. So I could use 3 different colors. You can see the tabs of the zippers. Okay, so then at the top are holes. So what you would do is you would find the center of your skein or put the end of your ball through these, pull up, and you use them. That way you start crocheting with them. And you can use however many, you can put 2 skeins or 2 balls in each compartment. Very, very nice. Really, really like that. And then on right here on the top is a zipper that you can just put crochet hooks or any other, your needles for finishing, any of that kind of stuff, knitting needles, whatever you want on the top. There is a zipper in the back. Here's the back. So there's a zipper back here. And inside is a strap. Connects on the other side, so you can carry it with you if you wanted to. This would be great for traveling. You know, if you're a passenger in a car or something like that, and you want to, you know, take your projects with you, And this is perfect. So you have your strap, and then inside it will hold a nice size project. You put the project inside there and carry it with you. And let me see if there's anything else. It's very nice. I can't wait to use it. And then on the sides, this is the side, another zipper, and you can put other things inside, maybe extra yarn or patterns that you are working on or with. So there's one on that side, and there's one on this side as well. So two sides. Let me see if I can get that one open. Oh, that's from the front. Okay. And then this one is Velcro. It's the same big pocket, but this side is Velcro, the other side is a zipper. So here it is, very nice. Side, front, side, top, and then it has the bottom right here. You set it on down. So very nice. Like I said, I can't find a brand on it, but I will try to find out where she got it. So if anyone is interested, and then I will let you guys know. But that was one gift. Can't wait to use it because right now I am working on that circle throw or circle blanket. So this will definitely come in handy. So I got that from my mom. And I also got some butterfly stickers from my mom as well, and this will be for my scrapbooking. I love them. They have like little pearls in the middle of all of them. Very pretty colors. Of course, I gravitate to this color, the tealy blue color. And this is from Zott, or Jot. And there's 15 stickers. So that's some of the things I got from my mom. And one of my sons, my youngest son, gave me, I haven't even opened this stuff because it's been hectic around here. And so now I'm just getting where everything is calmed down and I can breathe a little bit and get settled back into a routine again. But this is from Boy. It's Crochet Master, 25 pieces, and it is a crochet hook, the case, and all the crochet hooks. And I'm trying to see, there's 16 steel crochet hooks in here. And it comes with the carrying case. There's 8 aluminum crochet hooks as well. And then on the back are the really tiny ones. Really tiny. So, let me see. It looks like the biggest on the other side, the colorful hooks, is a K. I think they go from a D which is here, and then all the way up to a K. And then these over here would be part of this set. So when I do doilies or any of that where I need the really little ones, then I've got these, which is very nice because I did not have a lot of the steel hooks. So I'm anxious to start using these. Very happy. Comes with the case. Looks like a very nice case. So those are the things right now. Like I said, I have placed orders through the gift cards that my son had got me. So as soon as all of that comes in, then I will do, it will be called a Crafty Christmas haul. And then that, everyone that is watching now, or will watch, will know that that is the rest of my, what I got for Christmas. So anyway, thank you guys all so much for watching. Stay tuned. I will be doing a 2018 goals end of the year review. It's just like I said, everything's been really hectic and it's settling down, so now I can do all that. And then I will let you know my 2019 plans. So that's going to be coming up. So yeah, stay tuned. I know that this is going to be 2019 is going to be a very good year. And yeah, I hope you guys will come along for the ride, and we will see where it takes us. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.